there. Come on in. Good to see you again. Hey, lots of fantastic art attacks coming up this week. Take a look at this lot. Yes, it's Art Attack twice weekly, and later on today I'll be showing you how to turn a cardboard box into a fancy dress outfit. There'll be more big art attacks. See if you can work out what they are. And on Wednesday, I'll be showing you how to create a flag that flutters without wind. Right then, do you know what? Most people, when drawing faces, draw them facing the front or sideways. But what happens when you want to draw a person looking up, like in this picture? Well, try this. Just draw the nose pointing in the direction that you want the person to be looking in, and then the eyes and the mouth just follow the nose. And that's a good tip to remember. When drawing a face and you want it to look in any direction, follow your nose. For example, just watch this. If I'm looking in this direction, then my nose is pointing in this direction, like that. If I look up, then my nose is pointing in this direction, it's pointing up. And my eyes and my mouth follow the nose. And then if I'm looking down, see where the nose goes? The nose is now pointing down, and again my eyes and my mouth follow. So do the same when you're drawing. Follow your nose. So okay, here we go. When you're looking sideways, then the nose is just pointing to the side like that, and the eyes and the mouth follow. And I'm just drawing simple cartoons here to show you. If you want to do your character looking up, then point the nose in the up direction, like that, and the eyes and the mouth follow. If you want your character to look down, then point the nose down, and the eyes and the mouth follow. And it's the same when you're facing forward. Look at this. Your nose points forward. When you look up, your nose points up, and your eyes and your mouth follow. When you look down, your nose points down, and again the eyes and the mouth follow. So when drawing it, and again I'm just going to do simple cartoons to show you, just follow the same rule. Now the front on is easy. There's the nose pointing forward, follow your nose, so the eyes and the mouth, well, they're just normal, looking forward. But then if you want to look up like that, then just do the nose pointing up, and the eyes follow, and the mouth follows. So the mouth is all the way up there now, and that looks really good, doesn't it? If you want your character to look down, point the nose down in this direction, and the eyes come down as well, like that, and the mouth comes down. But look at that, you can hardly see the mouth. It's tucked right under the nose, like that. Easy, isn't it? And if you practice with simple cartoons like these, you'll soon have your faces looking in any direction at all. Let's see, what about looking up and to the side at the same time? So point the nose in that direction, and the eyes follow, like that, and that works. And what about pointing down and to the side? Okay, face the nose in that direction, and the eyes go down there like that, and the mouth follows. Follow your nose. Try it yourself. So, to have a go at drawing faces, draw the nose pointing in the direction you want your person looking in. Then do the eyes and mouth following the nose. So if you look sideways, your nose points sideways, and so do your eyes and your mouth. Just remember, when drawing faces, put in the nose first in the direction you want your character to look in, and draw in the eyes and mouth so that they follow the nose. It's easy. Boot there. Let's have a look.
All right.
Like Granny. This gives me an idea for a big heart attack. Right, just about there. There we go. And why not try your own little big heart attack? And just like mine, you can make yours out of absolutely anything you can lay your hands on. Now this one is really simple. I've glued down different coloured pieces of paper, and see that? I've just painted the detail right across it, and I've even used some cut up old envelopes to create the bowling lane, and I think that looks really brilliant. Look at that. Try it yourself, your very own little big heart attack. Hey, next time you're going to a fancy dress party and you can't decide what to go as, why not go as one of these? Giddy up! Or one of these! Or even one of these. Hold on. Right. To make your fancy dress box, you need two big cardboard boxes. And the idea is to put one to one side and turn the other one upside down and tape it firmly closed at the bottom. And you also need to cut a hole in the bottom that's big enough to fit your body through. So you need to keep trying it on for size. But make sure you've left at least 15 to 20 centimetres of cardboard each side of the hole. Then decide what you're going to turn it into and simply design it onto the box. Now, I'm going to do this horse, and I'm going to start with that fancy edging there on the bottom. Now, to make this, open out the flaps at the bottom of the box there, like that, and draw, well, a fancy pattern, really, along the edge of each flap. So I'm just going to do it very quickly there to show you. One there like that, and one there like that. I'm just drawing a sort of square pattern, and you can make it frilly or even wavy if you want. There like that. And then cut the cardboard frill to shape. Now, if you have trouble cutting cardboard, you could always brush water on it first to soften the cardboard, and then when you've cut it, it looks something like this. Look at that. And do the same all the way round. And also, at the front, you need to cut a slot that's about 5 centimetres in length that starts at this top edge. This is for the horse's head. And then do the same at the back for the tail. Again, about 5 centimetres long, starting at this edge here. So, that's the body shape. Now, for the head and tail, cut 2 big sides off your other cardboard box, the one that you put to one side, and on one draw a simple horse's head. So okay, let's make it nice and friendly, almost a cartoon horse's head. Doesn't need to be perfect or anything, because you'll be able to just alter it when you paint it. Nice big friendly cartoon horse's head, like that. And on the other, draw a tail, and then cut them out so that you have something that looks like that, and cut a slot into each of them so that you have a piece of cardboard that's the right size to slip into your 5 centimetre slots on the body. So there goes the head, nicely slotting in, and turn it round and put the tail in that size. There it is. And then it's just a case of trying it on for size. So there we go. Perfect fit. And I'm going to leave it there for today. So, try it yourself. To make any fancy dress box, you need to start with 2 big cardboard boxes. Tape one firmly closed at the bottom and cut a hole in it so you can get your body through. Make sure you've left at least 15 to 20 centimetres in front and behind the hole. Draw some fancy edging on the flaps and cut it out. Next, cut a 5 centimetre slot at the front and back, then draw a head and tail on the big sides of your other cardboard box. Cut them out and cut slots in them both. Then slot them into the front and back of the box. And on Wednesday, I'll show you how to finish it, paint it, and do some other designs. So you'll need some ribbon or string to fit it on, and some paint. So I'll see you then on CITV for another Art Attack twice weekly.